Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much. If this is your first time here, thank you very much. Thank you for clicking on this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, yippee, thank you very, very much. Thank you for being here. And please, if you like this kind of content, kindly like, share and subscribe, please. Thank you very much. So today we're going to be talking about, I would term it, an everyday affordable skincare routine for your body, and it is under 10k, under 10,000 naira. Now, I'm sure we all know that every day, if you live in Nigeria, every day we know that the naira is weakening, and so your purchasing power, your buying power, there's high inflation, your buying power and purchasing power has really reduced. But in the midst of all this, we still have to look good, present ourselves well, because believe you me, looking good is good business, right? And you want to still be able to at least uphold yourself to a certain level of standard of care, right? And so what I have done is I've looked, this is a tried and tested method, tried and tested products. These products are going to give you flawless, radiant, even tone, glowing skin. You have problematic skin, or you have you are battling with marks, dark marks on your body, things like that. Just stay tuned. I'm going to be giving you the tea. I'm going to be spilling the tea on the products that you can use, and they're on a budget. So this is under 10,000 naira. Under 10,000 naira. So first of all, right, we're going to talk about our habits, right? Clean our skin care habits for the body. Now, we are all a product of our routines, the things that we do. We're a product of our habits. So you can't just wake up today and say you want clear, glowing, even toned skin. What? You have to have been doing something every day. Every day you're putting in the work, you're putting in the effort. And by the grace of God, you're using good products. So I want you to know that it's a routine. You have to be dedicated, you have to be committed, you have to tell yourself, I am worth it. I'm worth it. And believe me, you will see fantastic results. So first of all, you cannot say that you want even toned, glowing, radiant skin if you are not scrubbing. If you are not scrubbing, your products will not work. So commit to ensuring that you are scrubbing your body twice a week. Twice a week. I have a review on this Cool Spa. It's a fantastic body scrub. It is functional. It does the job. Remember that we are focused here on body care, skin care, body care under 10k to give you flawless, glowing skin. So this Cool Spa, it sells at a price point of like 2,000 naira now, like 2,000 naira, maybe between 2,000 naira. You get this. It has different variants. So there's a turmeric, there's one that has papaya, there's one that has rose. Any one of them, but get the Cool Spa. It is affordable and it is good. And ensure that you are scrubbing twice a week. Make sure you are scrubbing your body twice a week. You will see fantastic results. When you do that, your products will work better. So next, at least we have spoken about your scrub. Next is this. This is the Stay Young Black Soap by Cam. Cam Stay Young Black Soap. Believe you me, I have used different black soaps. Now, there are quite a number of black soaps that are available in the market, right? Now, but this particular container of black soap, you would easily use it for at least 6 months. I kid you not. You will use this for 6 months. and you're going to buy this for 8,500 naira. So you use this for 6 months, and it's not the black soap. Some people buy black soap, then they'll have to activate it. They have to add serums and things like that. No, you don't need to activate this. It's already activated, so to speak. So it has as you can see there, it has natural honey, it has kojic acid, turmeric, so it's fantastic. Your body will glow. I have a video on a review on this Stay Young African black soap. It is fantastic. So this, believe you me, is a budget